नमस्कार. प्रुडंट मिडियाच्या खबराचित्रांत तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया आयच्यो मुखेल खबरो. मायनिंगा वेल्यान राज्य आनी केंद्रा मदीं पेटलें. जयंती नटराजन म्हणटा पर्रीकार लोकांक करता पिशें. मायनिंग बंद केलां तें बेकायदेशीर. एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्सा करतले स्थगीत. 50 डंपवाल्यांक नोटीशी. मायनिंग बंदीचेर शुक्रारा सरकार आनी कंपन्यांची बसका. मीन ट्रेडिंग करूंक सोदतल्यांक 21 सप्टेंबर मेरेन दिवचे पडटले स्टॉकाचे डॉक्युमेंट. लोकायुक्ताचे नेम पास. सरपंच पंच झेडपींचो पगार दोबराद. जमीन गैरव्यवहाराक आळाबंद हाडपाक आयडीसीन उखल्ली पावलां. जमनीचो प्रेस वाडटलो दोबराद ते तिब्रादीन. प्लॉट घेवन वापरिनासतना दवरतल्यांक काडल्यो कारणां दाखय नोटीशी. मडगांव वाठारांतल्या मोबायल टावर्सांक दिल्ली टेम्पररी लायटीची कनेक्शनां कायमची तोडपाचो वीज खात्याचो निर्णय. 6 म्हयन्यां परस चड वेळ टेम्पररी कनेक्शनां वापरपी मोबायल कंपन्यांक नोटीशी. आनी गोंयचो मुखेल सल्लागार प्रशिक्षक सुरिंदर अमरनाथ वावुरतलो गोंयच्या क्रिकेटरांच्या खेळांचो पावंडो सुदारपाक. आतां खबरो विस्तारान. बेकायदेशीर मायनिंगा वेल्यान पर्रीकार सरकार आनी केंद्रीय रानां आनी पर्यावरण मंत्रालया मदीं पेटलां. मायनी बंद करून पर्रीकार लोकांक पिसो करपाक सोदतात. ताणें केल्या ती कारवाय कायद्याक धरून ना असो दावो केंद्रीय रानां आनी पर्यावरण मंत्री जयंती नटराजनान बुधवारा पणजे मिडिया कडेन उलयतना केलो. गोंयच्या सगळ्या मायनींची एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्सां स्थगीत करतले. मायनिंग डंप आशिल्ल्या 50 जाणांक केंद्रीय मंत्रालयान डंप हालोवचे न्ही म्हूण नोटीशी काडल्यात. केंद्रीय मंत्रालयान एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्सां दिल्यात ती राज्या कडच्यान मेळिल्ले म्हायती वेल्यानच असो दावोय तिणें केलो.
Without even reference to the Shah Commission, if anybody has been found guilty, if anybody is found guilty, please rest assured that we will see that stringent action is taken and that the law takes its course and that they are punished according to law. The Chief Minister of Goa has issued an order which is a complete whitewash of the entire issue, which is a fraud upon the people of Goa and the people of the country. In that order, he suspends the working of 93 mines under no act. He doesn't talk about under which act. It is a whitewash. It is an attempt to befool the people of Goa and the people of the country into thinking that he is taking some action. And it is nothing but a kind of a political vendetta, political witch hunt of his political rivals where they have done no wrong whatsoever. If it is illegal mining, then the ore should be confiscated. It should not be allowed to be traded. Why should he allow the trading and benefit those who have taken advantage of illegal mining if it is so? And if the Shah Commission and if the Chief Minister himself says that these are illegal mines, as Environment Minister, I hereby suspend all environment clearances, and unless we are convinced that the environment clearances were not obtained on the basis of false information on which we depend the state government to supply the information and our own officers to verify, those licenses will not be renewed. And I have also issued an order yesterday. My officers have issued show cause notice to all the 50 owners of dumps to show cause why those dumps should not be closed. We had written, and we as and when we got information, 8 mines out of these 93, 8 have already been closed by my ministry, even before he did anything. I am saying that my colleagues are innocent. This is a political witch hunt. But the law will take its course. Whoever is found guilty will be punished. No, I'm talking about what your Chief Minister is saying about filing FIRs. I'm talking about that. And I would like to state categorically that There is no scam. The CAG has found nothing. And if the BJP will not allow us to speak in Parliament, we will come to you in your homes. We will come to every state and we will explain the stand of the Congress. We will explain the coal blocks that have been allotted by the BJP, and we will show you that we have nothing to hide, that we have followed the law, and that law will take its course.
मायनिंग बंदीचेर सरकारान शुक्रारा मायनिंग कंपन्यो आनी संबंधितांची बसका आपयल्या. मायनिंग धोरणाचेर सुचोवण्या खातीर सरकारान ऑक्टोबर 10 मेरेन मुजत वाडोवन दिल्या. बुधवारा मंत्रिमंडळाचे बसके उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान मिडियाक हे सांगले. मीन हार्डवर करूंक सोदतल्यांक 21 सप्टेंबर मेरेन खात्याक स्टॉकाचे डॉक्युमेंट दाखोवचे पडटले. ते भायर मंत्रिमंडळान लोकायुक्त नेमांक मान्यताय दिल्या. अधिसुचोवणी रोखडीच येतली. सरकारान फाटल्या एप्रिला सावन सरपंच, पंच आनी जिल्लो पंचायत वांगड्यांचो पगार सुमार दोबरात वाडयला.
बफर झोन सिलेक्ट करपाक जी टास्क फोर्स अपॉइंट केला तांची 15 सप्टेंबराक जो तारीख सोंपताली ती 31 ऑक्टोबरा पर्यंत एक्सटेंड केल्ली आसा. Suggestion of public period has been extended up to 10th of October. The government is preparing to take measures including financial to mitigate the problem. In order to carry out framework on this, a meeting of the stakeholder is being called. For this purpose of making the decision easy, government has also started exercise of registering the names of owners, their amount of loan outstanding, the financial institute from the truck owners and barge owners. This exercise will probably start immediately after the Ganesh Chaturthi festival is over. Simultaneously, a financial package is being worked out, so that no one need to fear any suicides. I won't allow that to happen.
थंय वचून आमच्यो टिमी वतल्यो 21 तारखे नंतर इन्स्पेक्ट करतले. मायज मॅन कळटा +or-5% पर्यंत एक्युरेट तांकां कॅल्क्युलेशनच्यो मेथडी आसा. तातूंतल्यान तांकां कळटा कितलो स्टॉक आहा तो. तितल्या पर्यंत तांकां ट्रान्सपोर्ट परमिट्स मेळटली. Once 21st is over, no one can make a fresh claim that he has got a stocked material. Probably by 30th or 1st or 2nd of October, we will start issuing them permits for transporting of this transport material. ते ताजी आज एक 2-4 दिसा भितर ताजे नोटिफिकेशन येतले with committees formation. Maybe by Monday it will come. In that they will specify the time frame and all that. Okay. So समजा तांच्यांनी मंडे नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू केले जाल्यार maybe within a week's time they should start filing. As they file, we can start taking, once the Chaturthi is over, we can start taking up the, where they find prima facie, everything is proper, they will give the checklist. Checklist दितले आमी. ते चेकलिस्टान टिक करून दिल्ले समजा तांकां दिसता जाल्यार त्यो केसी पयलीं घेतले ते चेक करतले whether documents are valid and they will give go ahead to that.
Now the rules are notified. The required staff has been already approved. The place for operation of Lokayukta has been recently taken in possession. It will have its office at Old Ribandar Hospital. Exercise for selection for Lokayukta has been initiated from today, and I expect I'm trying to do it by 30th so that I can recommend to the High Court.
Exactly double केलें. सरपंच जेका आजपर्यंत 2000 रुपया मेळटाले ताचे 4000 केल्यात. डेप्युटी सरपंच 1750 मेळटाले ताचे 3500 केल्यात. पंच आनी कोऑपरेटिव्ह पंच हांकां 1500 मेळटाले ताचे 3000 केल्यात. त्याच बरोबर जिल्हा पंचायतीचे अध्यक्ष जेका 6000 मेळटाले ताचे 12000 जाल्यात. उपाध्यक्षाक 5500 मेळटाले ताचे 11000 जाल्यात. आणि जिल्हा पंचायत मेंबर जेका 5,000 मेळटाले ताका 10,000 जाल्यात. हो पगार 1 एप्रिल 2012 पासून लागू जाला. ह्या पगाराक लागून 3,32 crores हेचो अतिरिक्त भार सरकारचेर आयला.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसर.